Greetings, fellow wordsmiths. Welcome to the Creative Writing Club. Today, we're on a mission to refine our craft. Editing. It's the unsung hero of the writing process. Regardless of where you are in your writing journey, mastering the art of polishing your work is a crucial skill. So, grab your pens, open your laptops, and let's embark on the intricacies of the editing journey. Editing is a bridge between creation and perfection. It's where we transform our raw ideas into polished gems. To kick things off, let's delve into the first critical step. Congratulations on finishing the first draft. Now, resist the urge to dive straight into edits. Give your mind some breathing room. Taking a break allows you to return to your manuscript with fresh eyes, making it easier to spot errors, inconsistencies, and areas that need improvement. It's not just a pause, it's a strategic move to elevate your writing game. Now, let's bring our editing to life. Reading your work aloud engages a different part of your brain. It helps you catch awkward phrasing, repetitive words, and ensures your dialogue flows naturally. As you read, listen to the rhythm of your sentences. Does it match the tone you're aiming for? This simple yet powerful technique can elevate the quality of your writing and make your prose sing. Now, let's harness the power of technology for our next editing tip. In the digital age, we have a plethora of editing tools at our fingertips. One highly reputable tool is Grammarly. It assists not only with grammar and style, but also suggests improvements for clarity. Remember, these tools are merely aids, not substitutes for your discerning eyes. Use them wisely, and you will find your editing process becomes more efficient and effective, aligning your work with industry standards. Writing may be perceived as a solitary endeavor, but editing doesn't have to be. Enter the beta readers. These are individuals who can provide fresh perspectives on your work. Their feedback can uncover blind spots you might have missed. Embrace constructive criticism. It's a writer's best friend. Building a team of beta readers can turn your solo writing journey into a collaborative and enriching experience. Platforms like Scribble can connect you with a community of dedicated beta readers and critique partners. Now, let's turn our attention to structure, the backbone of your narrative. A well-structured story is a joy to read. Ensure your plot has a clear beginning, middle, and end. Check for smooth transitions between scenes and make sure your narrative flows seamlessly. This isn't just about fixing typos, it's about refining the very architecture of your story. Consider creating a visual map or outline to ensure that every piece of your narrative puzzle fits snugly together. Tools like Scrivener can assist in visualizing and organizing your manuscript. There you have it, editing tips and tricks to elevate your writing. Remember, editing is a journey, not a destination. Be patient with yourself. Embrace revisions as opportunities to refine and strengthen your work. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more writing wisdom. Happy writing, my fellow wordsmiths. Until next time, keep those creative juices flowing. This is your host, signing off from the Creative Writing Club. And remember, the art of editing is a key to unlocking the full potential of your storytelling.